Hello everyone. So let us continue with data communication. In the last video, we have discussed the topologies of computer network. Today, let us discuss the categories of computer network. So today we will study the four categories of computer network, that is personal area network, local area network, metropolitan area network, and wide area network. Now we know that a network is a group of devices which communicate with each other or share some resources with each other. So one main criteria to categorize the network is based on the size of the network or the geographical area covered by the network. Say for example, a personal area network and a LAN covers a smaller geographical area, whereas a wide area network covers a larger area. So the first category that we will discuss is the personal area network. Now this personal area network is used on a personal level. Now say for example, you are transferring some file from your phone to your laptop or from your tablet to your laptop. So this is an example of personal area network. So this network can be either wireless or wired. Now say for example, you are transferring files from your phone to your laptop using a Bluetooth connection, then it is an example of wireless communication. But if you are transferring files using a USB cable, then it is an example of wired communication. Next category is local area network or LANs. Now this local area network is used to connect devices in a smaller area. Say for example, it is used to connect devices in small offices or in a college building, etc. So one of the common types of LAN is the Ethernet LAN, wherein the Ethernet cables are used to connect the devices. LANs also allow resources to be shared. Now say for example, you have a single printer in a small office. So in that case, all the devices can access the printer over the local area network. Also being a smaller network, it is easy to maintain and design a LAN as you just need to connect all the devices to a common switch. Next, the common LAN topologies are bus, ring and star. So all these topologies we have already discussed in detail in the previous videos. The third category which we will discuss is metropolitan area network or MANs. Now we just saw that a LAN is used to connect devices in a building or small offices, but a MAN is used to connect devices in a larger area such as a city. So we can say that in a MAN, different LANs are connected together, or it is an interconnection of LANs. Now say for example, a company has different branches or different offices at multiple locations in a city, then all the offices can be connected using a metropolitan area network. The last network which we will discuss is the wide area network or the WAN. WAN is used for long distance communication, that is, it is used to connect devices between different states or between different countries. Now say for example, a company has different offices across different states or across different countries, then all the offices will be connected using a wide area network. So since wide area network is used for long distance communication, it will connect different local area networks and metropolitan area networks. Also, since the connection is between different states or different countries, many connecting devices such as routers will be used.